We're Purple Ocean, a consultancy firm hired by Roche to develop a 5-year strategy to cement Roche's future as a leader in the growing pharmaceutical industry.
Roche plc is a Swiss pharmaceutical company founded in 1896 whose purpose is to provide now what patients need next.
The company holds a set of priorities to ensure sustainable, accessible and patient-focused services are provided.
Roche is a multinational company active in over 100 different countries with over 94,000 employees in the diagnostics and pharmaceutical divisions.
Roche boasts an impressive repertoire, being the third largest pharmaceutical company and global leaders in oncology and in vitro diagnostics.
Roche invests the most in R&D compared to any other pharmaceutical company, spending 11 billion in 2018, and this quest for innovation helps them to fulfill their purpose.
To uphold their strong reputation, Roche invested $7.4 billion into acquisitions since 2018.
Roche's total revenue in 2018 amounted to 59.5 billion, up 7% from 2017, indicating that Roche is currently on its strong growth pattern. The pharmaceuticals division contributed 46.5 billion, whilst the diagnostics division contributed 13 billion.
Our strategies minimise risk but capitalise on opportunities. Roche will meet global patient needs whilst benefiting its stakeholders. Roche will strengthen its position in developed countries and expand into emerging markets.
Generic drugs are a massive issue for the pharmaceutical industry, and especially for Roche. Generic drug makers take advantage of Roche's R&D, and they do this by selling drugs that have lost their patents. Ultimately, Roche loses out.
To tackle this, we have developed a two-pronged strategy. In sub-Saharan Africa's emerging markets, high cost of medicines reduces accessibility to healthcare. This is a major issue due to the high burden of disease. HIV, for example, is prominent in Africa.
To capitalise on generics but maintain Roche's brand equity, the creation of a separate generics company, Deleg, is required. Deleg will acquire 4 generic companies in sub-Saharan Africa, providing entry points and access to distribution channels in a new market. Deleg's high quality and affordable drugs will tackle the issue with counterfeit drugs in Africa. Deleg will provide patients with the healthcare that they deserve.
Within developed markets, our proposed strategy is to combine the sale of drugs that have lost their patents with Roche's novel drugs. We will promote a loss leader approach, combining sales of novel drugs with off-patented drugs.
Therapeutically, combination therapy improves drug efficacy, ensuring the best care for patients. This approach has the added benefit of increasing Roche's revenue, which benefits the company and Roche's stakeholders. The revenues can then be reinvested into R&D, M&As and philanthropy.
To stay ahead in the red ocean market, Roche must diversify and innovate. Emerging technologies in healthcare, and specifically the pharmaceuticals and diagnostic markets, provide Roche with an opportunity.
Our second strategy is to integrate AI into current activities and extending it to tackling rare diseases, which would expose Roche to a plethora of opportunities. Governmental programs encourage our strategy for Roche to invest in its AI subsidiaries such as Ventana, a tissue diagnostic initiative to tackle rare diseases and help to develop life-changing treatments.
Similarly, big data is an opportunity for Roche to maintain their reputation, market performance and product quality. Roche has the tools to take advantage of inherently valuable medical data through the RAAN and its subsidiary Flatiron Health, amongst others.
Collaborating with IBM will harvest more real-world and laboratory data, allowing efficient drug production through forecasting of market and services. The system helps to quickly identify eligible trial patients, getting drugs to the market quicker.
Overall, the implementation of emerging technologies will identify new markets, reduce costs and increase revenue.
Our strategies will help Roche be a leader in the evolving pharmaceuticals and diagnostics market. We believe that innovation is the ability to see change as an opportunity, not as a threat.